Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys basically where the garden guide moved to. I'm pretty sure just from looking at my screen, you can probably tell where it moved to, but for instance, if you didn't see where it went to, or you're still looking at it from your inventory and you can't find it, like you're still looking for it in your inventory, it's actually here underneath the shop section. You can actually just press it now, which I think is pretty helpful. I really don't want to have to go to my inventory every time I want to open my garden guide. So it's actually now just here. You'll still see everything that's here. Mini achievements, core pets. By the way, if you have these pets, please, I need them. I don't have to own them. You can just like give it to me and I'll give it to you back. But anyways, that is where the garden guide is. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.